Let's have a look. Two students hang out identical t-shirts to dry at the same time in the same neighborhood. The only difference between the drying conditions is that one t-shirt is sheltered from any wind and the other is in a strong breeze. State and explain in terms of water molecules the difference between the drying of the t-shirts. Now we understand that the t-shirt that is subject to a strong breeze will dry much quicker, and the t-shirt that is subjected to no breeze will dry much slower. So this one dries quicker, whereas the other one dries much slower, owing to the fact that the strong breeze gives the water molecules that are on the cloth kinetic energy, and these water molecules which now possess kinetic energy are or can be gotten rid of much faster from a wet cloth or from a drying cloth. Moving on to part B. Figure 6.2 shows another occasion where a student hangs out two identical t-shirts to dry. One t-shirt is folded double as shown. State and explain in terms of water molecules the difference between the drying times of the t-shirt. The t-shirt that is folded double will obviously dry slower. So this one dries slower, while the t-shirt that is hung open will dry faster, owing to the fact that the t-shirt that is hung open has a greater surface area that is subject to a strong breeze, while the double folded t-shirt has a smaller surface area that is subject to a strong breeze. Moving on. Part C. A runner in a hot country feels cooler if she pours water over her hair to keep it wet, even when the water is at the same temperature as the air around her. Explain in terms of change of state why she feels cooler. Now, as soon as water is poured, even if it is at the same temperature as the air around her, the water starts to evaporate from her hair. And to undergo this process of evaporation, water absorbs or requires energy, and it gets this energy as or in the form of the thermal energy that is contained within the runner. And as the thermal energy that is contained within the runner or on the surface of the runner's skin or hair or scalp is used to evaporate the water, this results in a decrease in energy, or as we understand, the runner starts to feel much cooler as the water starts to evaporate.